Hello everyone, and welcome to our story time. Today, we have a wonderful story from under the sea. It's called A Goodnight Surprise for the Ocean, and it's perfect for learning English. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Today is a very special day in the bright blue sea. Deep down, where the water is warm and clear, lives a little octopus named Bubbles. Bubbles is a cheerful, purple octopus, and today he has a big plan. He wants to have a party. Yes, a party for all his friends in the ocean. So, Bubbles swims to his favorite place, the beautiful coral garden. The coral here is amazing, with so many colors like red, pink, and orange. This is the perfect spot for a party. Bubbles has brought some things with him. He has a bag filled with colorful shells he found on the ocean floor. He also has long green seaweed and some softy yellow sand. What is he doing with all these things? He is making decorations. Bubbles is very busy and very happy. He uses all of his 8 arms to help. With one arm, he holds a shell. With another, he ties some seaweed. He counts his decorations as he makes them. Says to himself, one for the cave entrance, one for the big coral reef, and one to hang in the open blue water. He wants everything to look perfect for his friends. To make his decorations extra special, Bubbles adds something shiny. He has collected small white pearls. He carefully puts one shiny pearl on every single decoration. Wow! The pearls glow in the water. And the decorations look so beautiful, sparkling under the sea. Bubbles feels very proud of his hard work. The coral garden is starting to look like a magical party place. Suddenly, while Bubbles is busy working, he hears a sound in the water. Swish! Swish! It's a gentle sound, but it gets closer and closer. Swish! Swish! Bubbles stops what he's doing and looks up, tuning his head from side to side. Who could it be? Is it a big fish? Is it a sleepy turtle? It's his friends. Pip the shrimp and Dash the seahorse are swimming right towards him. Pip is a tiny, quick shrimp, and Dash is a graceful, elegant seahorse. And look! They are carrying something between them. It's a long green banner made from a big leaf. They are holding it carefully so it doesn't float away. Happy Party Day, Bubbles. They shout together with big, happy smiles. Their voices bubble through the water. Bubbles is so surprised. He swims closer to see what's on the banner. In careful letters made from tiny white pebbles, it says, "To Bubbles, the best friend in the ocean." Treating these words makes Bubbles feel warm and wiggly inside. It's a happy, excited feeling that makes all of his 8 arms want to dance. He feels so loved and appreciated by his friends. What a wonderful surprise. Thank you, he says, his voice full of joy. This is the best surprise ever. And I have some treats for you, too. So, the 3 friends find a cozy spot in the beautifully decorated coral garden. Bubbles brings out some yummy sea grape snacks for everyone. They sit together, they eat, they laugh, and they play fun ocean games like hide and seek among the corals and tag in the gentle currents. The sun shines down through the water, making everything sparkle. It is a very fun and a very, very happy day for Bubbles and his friends in the big blue ocean. What a sweet story! Now, let's go over some of the new words we learned today. Our first word is coral. Coral is a hard, colorful structure under the sea where many fish and sea creatures live. It looks like a beautiful underwater garden. Next, we have seaweed. Seaweed is a type of plant that grows in the ocean. It can be green, red, or brown, and it flows with the water. Our third word is pearl. Pearl is a hard, round, white object that is found inside a shell, like an oyster's shell. They are very beautiful and shiny. Then we have banner. A banner is a long piece of cloth or paper with words or a picture on it. 2. In our story, the banner was made from a big leaf. Our next word is wiggly. Wiggly means moving quickly from side to side. An octopus with 8 arms can be very wiggly, especially when it's happy. And our last word is decoration. A decoration is something pretty that you put up to make a place look nice for a special occasion, like a party. Great job, everyone. Nows, let's see if you remember the story. I have a few questions for you. First question. What is Bubbles the octopus making in the coral garden? Do you remember? Yes, that's right. He is making decorations for his party. Second question. How many arms does Bubbles use to count his decorations? Think about what kind of animal he is. You got it. He is an octopus, so he uses 8 arms. Third question. What do Bubbles' friends, Pip and Dash, give to him as a surprise? It was long and green. Exactly. They give him a long banner that says he's the best friend in the ocean. And the last question. After his friends surprise him, how does Bubbles feel? He felt a certain way inside. Perfect. He feels very happy and wiggly. You all did an amazing job today. Learning new words and stories is such a fun adventure. I hope you enjoyed our time together under the sea with Bubbles and his friends. Remember to keep practicing your English every day. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun stories. See you next time. Goodbye.